Have you ever solved world hunger, invented time travel, and remembered that one embarrassing thing you did in 6th grade? All before rinsing the shampoo out of your hair? Welcome to the weird and wonderful world of shower thoughts. And yes, there's actual science behind why your brain turns into Einstein with a loofah. Why is it that you forget your co-worker's name 5 seconds after meeting them, but remember that time in 2009 when you said "you too" to the waiter who told you to enjoy your meal? Because your brain is weird, and it gets weirder in the shower. In this video, we're diving into what makes your brain a philosophical wizard. Only when you're naked and wet. Stick around, because later we'll talk about how daydreaming might actually make you more creative than caffeine. Shower thoughts are those random, deep, often hilarious realizations you have while doing something totally mundane, like, do fish think water is wet? Or, if humans could fly, would we still wear pants? And of course, your stomach thinks all potatoes are mashed. This isn't just random brain static, it's a specific brain state tied to creativity, memory, and problem solving. When you're showering, brushing your teeth, or zoning out during a Zoom call, your brain enters a state called the default mode network. This is your brain's chill mode. It's like your neurons are wearing bathrobes and sipping mimosas. But here's the twist. This relaxed state is when your brain starts connecting ideas in wild, creative ways. It's like when you give toddlers sugar, and suddenly they're building a pillow fort stock exchange. Your brain starts digging through old memories, mixing them with new info, and bam! Suddenly you're wondering if dogs think we're the pets. So why does the magic happen in the shower? Because it's warm. You're alone. You're not doom scrolling. And most importantly, you're bored. When you're not overloaded with notifications or emails from Karen in HR, your brain gets to wander. And that's where creative gold happens. Scientists call this incubation. Basically, step away from the problem, and your brain will sneak into the lab while you're shampooing, and solve it behind your back. Also, showers feel good. Warm water equals relaxation, which equals dopamine. Dopamine is your brain's favorite party drug. It boosts mood, motivation, and you guessed it, creativity. So now we've got the perfect cocktail. Default mode network, warm water, dopamine, and boredom. Congratulations. You've unlocked God mode. You don't have to be naked to be brilliant, but it helps. Here's how to hack more shower thoughts. Take more walks without headphones. Do boring tasks without your phone. Try meditation, or just stare at a wall dramatically. And yeah, take actual showers. Seriously, Kyle, your brain needs space to wander. If you're constantly stimulated, your creativity gets jammed, like a printer on a Monday morning. So next time you have $1 million idea mid-conditioner, write it down. Because that weird thought about horses wearing socks might just be the next Pixar short. If your brain felt way too seen during this video, do us both a favor, like the video. Subscribe for more science served slightly unhinged, and tell us your best shower thought in the comments. Oh, and before you go, check out our next video, why you talk to yourself like a crazy person and why that's actually healthy. Because trust me, your brain is doing a lot of weird stuff behind the scenes. Stay curious, stay weird. Dr. Quack out.